Hello guys, welcome to Online Income Side Hustle. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do is to locate your blogger. So if you don't know how to get this, you come to your browser and you click on this section that shows Google Apps. You click on it and you scroll down to where you can see blogger. You click on it, it will take you to your blogger page. Now, after installing your blogger template, the desired template you need to use for your blogger, the next thing is to customize it to suit the purpose to which you want to use it for. For example, this is a blogger template that I use to customize this blog that you can see on the screen. Let me click on the home page so you can see for yourself. As you can see, we have the header section here, the logo, the recent post, and all the posts that is available on the blog. If you click on load more, you see more blog posts. And this is the body of the blog. This is the footer section. As you can see, the home, about us, contact us, terms and conditions page, privacy policy page, the copyright page. So these are the things you need to put together to make sure your blog looks wonderful. Now to do this, you come to your blogger. But for the sake who are looking to monetize their blog with Google AdSense, I would like to take you to blog Google requirements for your blog. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is Google AdSense help. Before you can monetize your blog, the requirements you must fulfill before Google AdSense can approve your blog for AdSense. Now, as you can see on the screen, we are on the page. So it says before you sign up, make sure your site's pages are ready for AdSense. So now let's look at the requirements. What's special about your page? The next section, do your pages have clear, easy to use navigations? In other words, they are trying to tell you that your navigation button, your navigation section is very, very crucial when you are trying to apply for Google AdSense. So an accessible, easy to use navigation bar or menu bar is a key part of providing a good user experience. When building your navigation bar, consider alignment, 1, readability, that's 2. Number 3 is functionality. In other words, what they are trying to tell you is that your website or blog must be responsive. That is, the menu section must be aligned, must be readable, and the functionality must be responsive. If you are doing drop down menu like the one you can see on the screen, you should ensure it follows and it shows the exact thing you're talking about on your blog. For example, when I click on freelance menu bar, oh, okay, I think the network is bad. So when you click on the menu bar, you discover that it will take you to the exact place that you want user to go without confusing your user. So you need to read this very well. For example, for a travel site, your navigation bar might look like this. After your home page, you have your destination, gallery, and so on. So you stretch it horizontally like this. And if you are creating drop down, you ensure the drop down are concise. So the next one is, do your pages have unique and interesting content? What Google means here is that if you are coming to get monetized with Google AdSense, you must have unique content on your blog. You must not copy contents from somewhere and come and put on your blog. Your AdSense process could be rejected. So you pay attention to that. I think these are the three basic steps you must follow to get yourself approved for Google AdSense. Now, the first step which we discuss is to customize your blog to suit AdSense approval. Now, to do that, you come to, let's say you've installed your theme and you want to start customizing. And if you haven't done that, you click on theme. Let me show you how to install. You click on theme and you click on the drop down button and click on restore. So when you click on restore, you can easily upload. It will take you to where you upload your content, your theme, the customized theme you want to use for your blog. So after that, you can now come to customization. So you can start that with layout or click here. Let's click on the layout. So the layout will show you all the sections on your blog pages. Now, as you can see, the box version, the default variables, the header and logo. I want you to ignore this because they won't appear on the front end of your blog. So what to deal with is the header logo, the menu bar. Now let's start with the header logo. Now, as you can see on the screen, to configure header, you need to include your blog title. And as you can see on the screen, in my case, my blog title is Online Income Side Hustle and Make Money Online. So the blog description. Why is blog description essential? It is important because this will serve this will serve as your description meta tags, where search engines can easily check your site and know what you are doing on your site. So you can put everything you want to do on your site on the blog description. So now the image, you can come to Canva to get your. You can come to Canva by typing canva.com online, and you can sort for images that you can use for your logo, you can customize and so on. So when you are done, you upload and you ensure you follow the dimensions that is required. So when you are done with your logo, you click on save. So let's go to the menu bar. There's a video on my channel that will link in the description of this video that will help you to understand the menu bar so easily that you can customize and ensure it is responsive. And for those who are looking to create drop down menus, as you can see on the screen, all that requires to get a drop down menu on Blogger templates is to include underscore. You include underscore before your menu title. As you can see, this is the main menu, Make Money Online. So the sub menu, you include underscore freelance. Let's say your own is underscore tutorial. So you include it like that and you put the link underscore affiliate marketing underscore blogging and so on. So it will show as a menu, as a sub menu on your menu section. So now you click on save. So let's go to the add code. You can ignore this because your site is not ready for monetization now, and let's ignore this. So you come to social widgets. Here you can customize your social media handles to show on your blogger. So as you can see on the screen, your YouTube link, your YouTube channel can come here. So you click on the pen icon, you give the title and you give the URL. So you click on save and you come to WhatsApp and do the same. You come to Facebook section and do the same, and so on Instagram Twitter, and so on, which is X. You click on save and you are done with that. Now to delete any of these social handles, because you'll be coming up with new a lot of social handles here that are not relevant to what you want to do. All that requires is to click on delete this item, so it will delete the item for you, and that's all. So let's check the main post if we have anything to customize. Here you can customize your author name and so on. So let's scroll down to here. You can increase the number of comments you want to show per page, so and so on. So I think there's nothing much that you want to do. So the sidebar, most popular post, let's check this. Maybe we would see, okay, as you can see on the screen, this is the menu bar, the logo I showed you previously. So the ticker, this is the ticker here. This is a new sticker. As you can see, when you click on it, let's see if there's anything you want to edit. I think there's nothing to edit here. You leave it as it is. Now let's go to the sidebar widgets, which is something that you can see here. So when you come to your, I only left the popular post because I think that's the only thing relevant to my blog, and you can show the popular post for 7 days, that is your blog post for 7 days, or the latest blog post on your blog. So when you are done with that, you click on save, and that's done. So the subscribe button, you can decide to include this or hide it. As you can see on the screen, show this widget. When I click on this icon, when I turn it on and click on save, you discover that subscribers will appear on my blog somewhere here. So let me refresh the page, or we'll simply go to home page to see if the subscribers has appeared. As you can see on the screen, we now have the subscribers button that your viewers can subscribe to your channel or any of your social media and do that you want them to visit. So the about us and the logo section here, which is what you can see from this section, is to write the title, which is about us, and the caption you want people to see on that. So the link to your site, when they click on your logo, which is your URL, and it take them to back to your website. So like that, you click on save, you customize, you click on save, and like that. Now let's go to the footer menu widget. So this is where you will find the footer menu widget, the black section of your website, and it's usually the lowest part of your website. So on Blogger, you can include your home, your about us, contact us, terms and condition, privacy policy, and so on. Now, to get about us link, you click on edit and you put your link here and you save and save. Now to get this about us, you come to pages and you create, let's say we haven't created about us page here. You come to pages, you come to new page, and you give your about us or contact us or any custom page you want to create the title. Let's say I want to create new about us page. So you simply type your content here. This is my new about us page. Now you launch this, and don't forget to click on the site description and include the content you want Google to crawl here about your page. Now, as you can see, you only have max of 150 character, and I can include about us here. About us page, or you simply write new about us page and you click on publish. So you allow this to publish on your blog. Now this is it. If I want to get this link, I'll click on the view section, so it can take me to about us page, and all that I need is to copy this URL. You click on copy and you come to the page on the footer section, your layout. So you scroll down, click on this. Let's say we have not included about us page here, or any other pages we want to include. You click on add a new page. So we have new about us page as the title. So the URL, you highlight this and you click on paste. You click on save and you save your changes. So when you come to your blog, and let's refresh the page and scroll down. Let's scroll down to see if we have, as you can see on the screen, we now have a new page. So you can include this on the footer section or on the menu bar or the main menu bar. You can include it here or at your footer section. So when you click it, it will take you to about us page that you just created. So this is how to create navigation section on your blog, both on the main menu and on the footer section. So guys, I think this is only the basic. These are the basics that you need to know when setting up your blog for Google AdSense. And the next thing to do is to start creating content, unique content that Google will see, and when they check your site and they know it's a unique one, they can approve your blog for Google AdSense. So guys, these are the requirements, these are the things you need to pay attention to, most especially your logo, your main menu bar, the body of your content or your blog, and the footer section. So all that they want to see is that your site is responsive, that is, it loads very fast, and two, is not misleading people to any other page. When you are talking about home page, your home page should not be taking people to privacy policy. I hope you get what I'm saying. So with that, you'll be able to, and you must have at least 10 unique blog posts on your blog before you can start applying for Google AdSense. And I want to talk about this again, that you need to come to this site and review the eligibility requirement for AdSense. So it will help you to know what to do before you start jumping to applying for Google AdSense. So if you can put all this we've discussed in the video into practice, you can see that your blog won't have issue in the process of monetization. These are all you need to put together to monetize your blog. So thank you guys for watching the video till this time. If you haven't subscribed, I want you to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share with your friends so they can be part of the community. And I can promise you that in my next video, I'll do justice to some of the questions that you leave in the comment section that will help you in your journey, in your blogging journey. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end. So if you have question, once again, leave it in the comment section. I will check and I will reply you and tell you the exact thing you need to do regarding your comment. Thank you guys for watching the video to the end. See you in my next video. Peace.